No matter where I go, every time I look back on this road, you'll always be a part of who I am. Everything I've known, every seed of greatness you have sown, through good and bad, your love has watched me grow. You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You care in every way, in my heart you will always stay. In this moment let me say how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay. In this moment let me say you turn my little into great. There's no fear, my dreams are awake with you.
Greetings. Today is International Teachers Day. Today is such a wonderful day to celebrate teachers in our life. So, who's a teacher and what role do they play in our lives? A teacher is someone that helps one become the better version of themselves. There are many teachers in one's life. Traditionally, we connect the concept of a teacher to the people who facilitate us in school and college. But that is true to an extent. The concept of a teacher expands and moves outside the boundaries of school, college or university. One can meet a teacher at any point in time and at anywhere. I personally have so many teachers, including the ones that I met in school, including my mentors, including the people who I bow down to in surrenderfulness. So, what are the qualities of a teacher? A teacher is someone who guides you across life, who helps you elevate your knowledge and move to the next level. It's essential to gain knowledge in this life, and a teacher is someone that helps us gain knowledge. Not just this, animals, nature, inanimate objects can also act as teachers to us. But let me tell you one thing. A true teacher is someone that looks at the teaching and learning process without any transaction. You might have come across so many people. A true teacher is someone that goes out of their way, goes across all boundaries and teaches you and guides you for your development. I've had so many teachers and I'm fortunate to have so many people that I can learn from on a daily basis. I wish you identify these teachers and pay respect to them today. At the end of the day, we must pay respect to each and every person, each and every object, each and everything that helps us go to the next level. Don't you pray to God almost every day? Anytime that something goes wrong, don't you go to your temples or mosques or other religious worship places and bow down to them and pray that everything must get better in life? But at times, we forget to thank the people who actually help make our lives much better. There's a Sanskrit saying, it goes like this: Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, and Acharya Devo Bhava. Our parents are our first teachers in life. They teach us how to behave, how to go through life, and they teach us the core values that we live by across our life. Then the third comes Acharya Devo Bhava. You must see your teachers or acharyas as gods, because they give you so many skills, they give you so many insights, and they have dedicated their life to the betterment of you and so many other people around the world. Take my father for example. He devoted his life as an acharya, as a guru, to teach people and to make their lives better. And moving further on, the legacy of teacherhood must be instilled in each and every one of us. If you have a skill, if you have something that you can share, be sure to do that with someone who needs it. Become a teacher in your own sense and become a teacher for yourself. Observe the things happening in your body. Observe what's happening in your environment and learn yourself. So, these were my small insights on teacherhood and on the teachers' day. And thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.